First, open Start and type cmd. Right click, Run as administrator. Type the following command. Press enter. Type the second command. And press enter. And enter the third command. Type exit. Then press enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, we go to solution number 2. First, open Start and type cmd. Right click and Run as administrator. Type the first command. Press enter and type the second command. Press enter. Enter the third command. Type exit. Press enter. Now restart.
After restart, open your folder. Open your C drive. Open program file. Find your Riot Vanguard folder. Select and delete. Now go to your icon Valorant, right click, Run as administrator. Now wait your Vanguard to be installed. Press quit. Restart to finish the installation progress. Right click your icon Valorant and Run as administrator. Now you are ready to go. Your problem should be fixed.